So here we are. Just received my new watch by what they call luxury service. I was half asleep when the guy was knocking on the door, so it was. I had the dealership call me up and say your watch has been is at the front door. First off, I need to say a few thank yous to a few people. One, Watches of Switzerland. Once again, you've come through with such an amazing product, and also the service has always been immaculate. Now, I've purchased a few watches from these guys, and there's only two companies really that I would recommend out there today, and it's one, Watches of Switzerland, and the other dealership is Gregory's Jewelers, which are absolutely phenomenal. The reason I bought it from these guys today is because I got it today. Otherwise, I would have bought it from Gregory Jewelers. But without further ado, let's have a look at this together. Now, before I open this watch in this box is a 2021 model, just got released. Now, I've called a few dealerships before I bought this watch today because I wanted to find out how many dealerships had this watch. And besides Gregory's and Watches of Switzerland, no one has this watch. No one can get this watch. It is very hard to get in this color. So without further ado, let's go. Babe, do you want to join me or not really? How long are you going to be? Because I don't want to stand here looking at my watch. Anyway, let's go. I've not seen this watch. I've not touched this watch. I've seen it in photos. I did a lot of research on this watch. And here we go. And like my other couple of watches, obviously you get the receipt and everything in detail. Okay, I'm actually a little bit excited about this. I know it's only a watch, but it's a watch that's a lot of people told me I need to get. Now this is the new series of Breitling. There you have it there. Here we go. Oh, don't you love the smell of new stuff? I'm weird. As you've probably seen in my last unboxing, you get the leather pouch. Oh, like the other watches, you get your card, which is addressed to me, of course, like all the other watches. Watches Switzerland warranty, blah, 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 blah. You get your certificates. And you see, yeah, so here we go. All right. Are you ready, guys? Genuine leather. Okay. Now, I'm sharing the first time I'm viewing this watch with you guys. I'm not going to do a review, but I am going to put this on YouTube so I can get more views. But anyway. Okay, so it's very hard to do it with. Okay, here we are. We both are going to view this watch together. Drum roll, please. Yeah, guys, I've stopped the video just there very quickly before I revealed the watch. I just need to do a big shout out to a few people that made this possible, besides me buying the watch, of course. Adam, your service is impeccable. It's, I texted you earlier before you guys even opened. You're probably still in bed when I'm texting you to get this watch delivered to me ASAP. And you've gone over and above what most people would do to get their purchase to the customer. I had purchased 5 watches from since 2017. Some I've done unboxings in front of you, and some I'll just keep that secret. But the service from the Watches of Switzerland is impeccable. I know a few of the boys there now, Delwyn, Harry, classy gentlemen that know their products, and they're exceptional at their job and make you feel special. Now, I am a pain in the ass. When I want something, I want it then and there. And unfortunately, I didn't buy it from Gregory's, which I know the guys, the family, quite well. And if you're in Sydney and you need a good product, a new watch, jewelry for your wife or whatever it may be, please just text me. You've got my number, or just message me on this Facebook, and I'll hook you up with Gregory's. But when it comes to watches, I don't think, and it's no disrespect to any other parties out there, and I used to buy watches from the Hourglass. The pricing is unmatchable. And not only that, they go that extra mile to make sure you get that watch. So with that said, Adam, thank you very much for your assistance. I really, really do appreciate it. Helen, I will organise, well, I've already organised a few people to come see you already, but I will definitely send a few more people your way. Don't worry. I look out for my friends. So let's get back to the review. Well, the unboxing, actually. Thanks, guys. Drum roll, please. Oh, now I can see it with my own eyes. Wow. Okay, so what we've got here is the new titanium blue SuperOcean 48. Absolutely stunning. Very, very nice, very, very light. Let's see if I can unpack this with one hand without dropping it. New Breitling rubber, what they call a gel band. Beautiful, stunning. It's, even though titanium is light, this is still very, very heavy. Obviously got the sticker on the back of it, the tag for the watch. I'm not sure what's on the tag. We'll see if it's a price. Yeah, it is. Now, I will show you guys the price, but I'm not going to tell you what I paid for it. There we go. Okay, and that's the model number there as well, guys. Okay. Absolutely beautiful watch. And I'm not sure if you can see the blue as good as I can see it here, but God, that is actually really stunning. Absolutely beautiful. It's actually very similar blue to the Rolex. Near the white gold Rolex with the blue. Let's see how it looks on. And that's the watch. It's actually really, really sexy. Now, I didn't get the chronograph. You can buy these in the chronos. Well, not exactly the same watch, but you can get these type of watches in the chrono. I didn't want to go chrono because I wanted this for diving, but I ended up buying another watch for diving that costs, it's a Citizen, but it's a hard watch to get, which I'll play on in the water somewhere and everything like that. So there you go, guys. It's the new Breitling SuperOcean 48 titanium. I highly recommend someone to, if you like this type of watch, they come in black and green. Okay. But yeah, it actually feels really comfortable on. I'm actually surprised. Now, on the side here has a clip. Okay. And what you do is you unclip it and then turn the bezel. Oh, this has got this new ceramic bezel. Okay. With the silicone, that's the word, silicone coating over the top so you can't damage it or anything like that. Made for diving, 300 meters. Absolutely mind blown. Again, I'd like to say thank you to the bosses at Watches of Switzerland. Their service has been, again, I had purchased a few watches from them, so I am on their loyalty card, which to me doesn't mean a lot, but it means that any Rolex that comes in, I can actually get it. So, and when the watches come in, if there's any interest that I'm into, any watches I'm interested in, they will contact me straight away when any stock comes in. So that is, I guess, important. So again, guys, take care. And yeah, check out the new range of Breitling watches. Take care, guys. Thumbs up. Bye now.